Now, obviously, the car isn't moving, so we're working off of power steering. So the more you do that, the more tighter the power steering is going to be because they don't have the energy to continue because you're not physically driving the car. Okay,
Okay.
so keep going till you got it.
Yeah, I think I got it.
Okay, all right. Now, if you're unsure which way the wheel is turned, all right, we do a turn test. This is one way to do it. Just let the car roll, and you see it's straight. That means it's good. So if it's one rotation to the left, you'll see it in like 2 seconds. So we go the opposite way. See that? And then we know it's one rotation. Okay? Another way to tell is turn all the way. See it locks. One logo. Two. Wheels are straight. Okay? That's every car. Okay? All right. Clear, clear. All clear around us. Four ways off. We go up here and we're going to make a right. So right turn signal. Okay, so, uh-oh. We got to stop before. Okay? Let's move up. We'll check traffic. Okay? And overhand. Hold. 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 Straighten it out. Perfect. That's it.
Okay.
That's 90% of your turns right there. Because the lefts are a lot easy. Because you just do a partial and it'll go right through. Okay? All right. So let's make it right. Let it roll. Let it roll. Oh, turn a little bit too soon. I got you. I got you. All right. Straighten it out. Good. That way you start turning too soon. Okay?
Yeah.
So the best way to fix that, just go out a little bit more. And that's why I said watch where the car is rolling. Okay? Let's give it gas. I got you. So the idea is you don't want to just hand over hand. Okay? Because it's like we're going to end up in a bush somewhere. Okay? So see where the car is going. Okay? So right turn signal. Okay? Give it a little bit of gas. We're looking ahead. We see the curb, right? We're checking for cars. Clear, clear. Start turning with the curb. Go ahead. Give it a little bit of gas. That's it. See? Seeing where you're going. Okay? All right. Making a right up here. Okay? Just let it roll. Start turning.
Oh, that was it. Kind of shuffled.
Oh, yeah. But guess what? You still made the turn fine. It wasn't late.
Yeah.
Okay?